This video guide is about getting rid of the browser scam that is related to the site Avics.live. If you see these pop-ups by the site Avics.live, keep in mind that these pop-ups are absolutely faulty and absolutely deceptive. You should not interact with them. They tell a lot of scary messages mentioning that you have been watching some illegal content, but such pop-ups actually try to scare people into downloading and installing certain potentially unwanted software. So if you see these scary messages, don't ever interact with them. Don't trust their deceptive alerts. I would recommend you to leave this page, and I also recommend that you thoroughly examine your computer with Combo Cleaner Antivirus. It will help you to detect and remove other possibly hidden threats fully from your computer. Please get it on this official website, combocleaner.com, download the program, install it, and start researching your system with its help. After you have successfully downloaded and installed Combo Cleaner Antivirus, make sure you click on Start Scan button. Initially, the program is in the trial mode, so only the quick scan option is so far available in the trial mode. The program most likely will first of all update its anti-malware database, and of course this is crucial for proper detection and removal of any malware, ransomware, adware or other infections. While the scanning by Combo Cleaner is taking place, please pay attention to several features in Combo Cleaner, such as anti-ransomware. This feature, for instance, allows to help you to add several folders that will always be protected against ransomware or malware attacks. At the end of the scanning, you will see the detailed summary of all the threats which were found on your computer. You will be able to know the names of all these threats, the locations of all these threats on your computer, and of course, based on that summary, you will be able to remove certain threats manually. However, we strongly advise that you consider upgrading to the premium license of Combo Cleaner Antivirus. This is the best way to remove any possibly hidden malware from your system and to keep your data always protected against any other possible malware attacks. So use Combo Cleaner Premium license to make sure your system is always under the defense against all contemporary threats.